Hi, I'm Geneva Long, CEO of Bowlus, and today we're going to be talking all about the stabilization jacks on the Bowlus. Now, first off, you should never use these to crank up or down your Bowlus. That's solely for the jockey wheel on the front. These are just stabilization jacks. And you might have heard of self-leveling on other RVs, and these are, very heavy, first of all, so you won't find those on a Bowlus, and also they suck a lot of power. And so Bowlus's approach is to make that mechanical, and why not when it only takes you a few seconds? So let me get started and show you what that looks like. Now with your Bowlus, you'll get a stabilization crank like this, and you can hand crank all of the 4 stabilization jacks up and down like that. And if you're looking to make it even quicker, you also can add a specific bit onto a bottom of a small drill and use that to bring up and down the stabilization jacks as well. If you're using a drill, always be sure not to do it too quickly and make sure you're going the right way. Thanks so much, and let us know if you have any other questions.